Hello dear friends, this is a simple video about install Steam on macOS. So let's start. Okay, open your browser and search Steam. And here the first site, this is store.steampower.com. Open this and from this green button click on install Steam. You will see this page and from here click on install Steam. The Steam application will download on your system and just you need to open this file. Here it's opening and installing, and now you can add it to your applications folder. Then close all of the windows and now you can search Steam on your applications. Open Steam, it's opening, click on open and it's updating as any other OS. Okay, Steam is installed and now it's run in my macOS, and you can now create a new account or log into the existed account. It's done. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe if this video was helpful and watch the other videos.